Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to fix the AT&T modem blinking white light. Now, white light, usually this means that if it's blinking slowly, your Wi-Fi gateway is basically powering up, right? That is the main thing. That's what it indicates. So it's powering up, starting up, or connecting the network. So to resolve this, try restarting the modem and try by, unplugging it for 20 seconds and then plugging it back in. And if the issue still persists, you may need to reset the modem to factory settings, or you can contact AT&T technical support for further assistance. But usually what you do, at the back of the modem, you'll find a pin, okay, a hole. You insert a pin there for about 30 seconds and hold it there, and that'll help reset it. Okay, if your model is different, just contact customer support. If the issue persists, they may even send a technician to your place. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.